Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're grilling up some Wagyu burgers on the Memphis Wood Fire Grill. So we're going to top these Wagyu burgers with a roasted garlic aioli and some caramelized onions. So let's get started on those. And you want to set up your Memphis grill to grill mode 375 degrees Fahrenheit. First, we need to separate the garlic cloves, and then we want to roast these together with a little bit of butter in a cast iron skillet for about 30 minutes or until they get really soft to the touch. When the garlic cloves are done, smash them into a paste, mince with a knife to ensure that they're fully separated, and then mix with the mayo and set aside. You want to slice the ends of the onions, cut them in half, and then cut them into 1/8 inches strips. Add some butter and oil into another cast iron pan and place in the grill. Now you want to add the onions, salt to taste, and cook for about 45 minutes and stir occasionally to prevent scorching. You want the onions to be brown and sticky, and then when they're done, remove the onions from the pan and set aside, keeping warm. You also want to spread some butter into the inside of each bun slice and lightly toast on the grill until the cut side of the bun develops a crispy, toasted exterior. So it's now time to shape and season the Wagyu burgers, and since Wagyu has a much higher fat content than regular ground beef, you don't want to play around with it too much. So just gently form the Wagyu beef into round patties and then press an indentation into the center of each patty to prevent it from puffing during cooking. Now it's time to season the Wagyu burgers, and I like something simple: salt, pepper, maybe a little bit of garlic. So use those 3 spices or use your favorite commercial rub. We're gonna use our Badass Texas Boost because it is an SPG rub, and just season gently on both sides. So the brioche buns are ready, the garlic aioli is ready, the caramelized onion is ready. So now it's time to grill the Wagyu burgers, and this is how you do it. You want to set your Memphis Wood Fire Grill to 650 degrees grill mode using oak or hickory pellets. 650 degrees is a good temperature because you will get a great sear, but you won't burn the seasoning. And you want to oil the grates before you put the burgers in. Place the Wagyu burger patties on the oil grates. Grill the first side for about 2 to 3 minutes until you have great sear marks. Then carefully flip them over using a steel spatula and grill the other side until you get an inner temperature of 125 to 130 degrees. Place the burger on the toasted bun with the butter lettuce, top with the caramelized onion, and finally slather with some roasted garlic aioli. So that is how you make a grilled Wagyu burger on the Memphis Wood Fire Grill. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Wood Fire Grill's YouTube channel or check out their website, www.memphisgrills.com, for more recipes like this. And I think the only thing left for me to do now is to try the burger and see what it tastes like. So here we go. Oh my, that is so moist. It's just oozing with liquid. Great flavor. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling. Oh my.